Customers are facing a lot of challenges today. They know they need to do something with IIoT, and most of them really don't know where to get started. And this is a place where Emerson can help. We think of it in terms of what is the problem you're trying to solve? Let's not make it too complicated, but let's make it meaningful so that you can get some points at which you feel comfortable, that you're adding value, and then it kind of expand from there. The first place to start might be oriented around just getting basic visibility to your assets. We find a lot of customers, they try to fully optimize their plants in step one. And you can't optimize something that you can't see. So we really feel it's important to first get basic visibility to the equipment that you have. If you know it's on or not on, if it's running or not running, that provides a lot of value. And it's worth just getting the infrastructure around that. For example, if you have service engineers and they know something's not running, then they can go to that piece of equipment. If they have to drive to the equipment to find out if it's running or not running, you're starting to waste a lot of your own effort. The next step that you would work on from an optimization standpoint, after you've got basic visibility, is how can you use that visibility to improve either your service, ability to service the equipment. That's a good experience if you're an OEM and the end customer values the fact that you keep their equipment running, but also if you're an end customer to really improve your operations. And there's a number of examples, some of them relatively simple. I think one that I like to point out is, in a water treatment facility, they have to move water from one lake to another as part of the process of purifying that water. Sedimentation takes 8, 12, 15 hours, depending on the size of that body of water. Moving it from one place to another requires a lot of energy. Those pumps are very large and they consume a lot of electricity. And so with an outcome optimizing control technique that we've pioneered here at Emerson, you can actually have your controller that's running that pump with an IoT side that reaches out to the information on the forecasted price of energy and the current spot price, and maybe delay an operation by 2 to 3 hours. You don't have to do it at 8 in the morning. You could do it at 10. And if you get 3.5% savings, that could lead to $1 million in a year. If you would like more information on this topic, please visit the Emerson Exchange 365 community.